In the highlands of ancient Mexico, long before the arrival of European ships, there grew a plant that shimmered with resilience and sacred power. This plant was amaranth, known to the Aztecs as the grain of the gods, a food that was more than mere sustenance. It was a symbol of immortality. Its tiny golden seeds carried enough energy to fuel warriors, priests, and farmers alike, and its vibrant red flowers became woven into rituals of life, death, and rebirth. In Aztec temples, amaranth was mixed with honey and shaped into figures of gods, then eaten in ceremonies that bound community and faith together. It was considered so sacred, so powerful, that when the Spanish conquistadors arrived, they feared its influence. They tried to ban its cultivation, destroying fields and punishing those who dared to grow it, for they believed its spiritual force could unite resistance. But the grain of the gods was too resilient to vanish. Like the people who cherished it, amaranth endured in hidden gardens, in the remote hills and valleys, passed from one generation to the next as a living memory of freedom. Centuries later, science would confirm what ancient civilizations already knew. Amaranth is one of the few plant sources of complete protein, containing all essential amino acids, rare among grains. Its seeds are rich in lysine, a critical amino acid often missing from rice, corn, and wheat, making it a natural complement in diets around the world. Packed with iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, amaranth became not just food, but nourishment for bones, blood, and muscle. Unlike wheat or barley, amaranth is gluten-free, making it a healing grain for those whose bodies struggle with modern bread. Its high fiber content supports digestion, balances blood sugar, and keeps hunger at bay for longer hours. Its leaves, too, are edible, tender, green, and full of vitamins A and C, showing that every part of this plant carries strength. Even its striking pigments, those deep reds and purples, contain antioxidants that protect the body at the cellular level. To the Aztecs, amaranth symbolized eternal life because it never faded, even when cut. Its name, from the Greek amaranthos, means unfading, a testament to its enduring legacy across cultures and centuries. In today's kitchens, amaranth is finding its place once again. Its seeds can be popped like popcorn, releasing a nutty aroma that was once enjoyed by Aztec children and warriors alike. Boiled into porridge, baked into bread, or blended into soups, it transforms into a versatile and nourishing staple. Modern chefs and nutritionists celebrate it as a superfood, a forgotten treasure rediscovered for a healthier future. Beyond its nutrients, amaranth carries a message of resilience. It is a plant that thrives in harsh climates, growing where other crops may wither, feeding communities even in times of scarcity. In India, Nepal, and parts of Africa, amaranth leaves and grains are woven into traditional diets, healing generations through their quiet strength. It bridges cultures, a sacred grain of the Americas, a survival food of Asia, and a hope for future food security worldwide. As the world faces new challenges of climate change and hunger, amaranth reemerges as a plant of promise. Its adaptability, combined with its dense nutrition, makes it one of the most sustainable crops on Earth. To eat amaranth today is to taste history. Each seed carries the memory of ancient rituals, the voices of farmers who refused to let it disappear, and the strength of a people who found hope in its unfading resilience. The grain of the gods reminds us that food is more than fuel. It is story, identity, and survival. And in every bowl of amaranth porridge, or every loaf baked with its flour, we are connected to a legacy that stretches back thousands of years. Amaranth is not merely a grain. It is a gift from the past, a medicine for the present, and a promise for the future. A grain once worshipped, then forbidden, now reborn in kitchens and fields across the globe. The grain of the gods continues to nourish not only the body, but the spirit. A reminder that some treasures can never truly fade. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world's most powerful and fascinating foods.